Hi guys, today we will learn about what is operating system. Operating system is a software which acts as a mediator between user and computer hardware. Okay, so to interact with Windows machine, we require Windows operating system. So similarly, to interact with Linux machine, Linux operating system is mandatory or required. So operating system is a mandatory to use any computer. There is no use of computer which doesn't have operating system. By using operating system, you can run application. You can run application in computer. Okay. Thank you guys. What is Windows operating system? Windows operating system is developed by Microsoft company. Windows operating system is a licensed software. We need to purchase it. So companies, when using Windows operating system, they will purchase the license from Microsoft. Next, Windows is a single user operating system. So into Windows only one person can log in, that is a single user, and the second person can't log in. So it is a Windows is a single user operating system. Security features are very less in Windows operating system. Okay. Again, antivirus software we have to install to protect our system. We have to buy a antivirus software and we have to install it to protect our system, Windows system. Next one, Windows is a graphical user interface actually. Windows is a graphical user interface, and Windows operating system is recommended for personal usage only. Like we can use for some watching movies or videos, and personal things we can, for personal things only we can do for Windows operating system. Thank you guys. What is Linux operating system? Linux is a free and open source operating system. So we can install the operating system. We can download and we can install it. So, and Linux is a multi-user operating system. We have already discussed, right? Windows is a single user operating system, but Linux is a multi-user operating system. Here in this Linux, now we can create the user accounts, and see here multi-user capabilities of Linux allows multiple individuals or processes to work concurrently on the same system while maintaining security, privacy, and resource isolation between users. So, in the company for the server machines, Linux machines, we have accounts for each individual. So they can log in with their user accounts, and they can work. They can work in a, they can work. They each can work on their individually by logging with their username and passwords, and they can complete their work. So security features are good in Linux operating system. So security features are very much good in the Linux operating system. So to run servers like databases, Linux operating system is recommended, because database means it should run always 24/7. Always it should run. So that Linux operating system is the right one for running any database machines. So the recommended one is Linux operating system. Linux is a CLI, like Linux means it is a command line interface. So we have to learn commands for using the Linux actually. Let us see a small diagram. Linux here. This is the diagram. See here user request. Suppose we are entering some Linux commands, it will come to shell to Linux kernel, and Linux kernel to computer hardware, and after executing it, it will go, that response will go back again similar to user request. Okay, the request will come from the user, it will go to shell to kernel, and kernel to computer hardware, and again it will send the response back to user. See here, Linux operating system consists of kernel, shell, and file systems. Okay, and the kernel is the heart of the Linux. Here the kernel is the heart of the Linux. It will manage all the resources like storing the data, memory, and file management. Okay, one more thing is it runs your programs also, kernel only. Okay, kernel here acts as a mediator between the computer hardware and this shell and applications. Okay, that is about Linux operating system. Today we learn about the history of Linux, and Linux operating system is developed by Linus Torvalds. Okay. Uh, pre- Linus Torvalds work. He used to work in a like other company. So there is a previously there is a operating system we all know like Unix operating system. So Linus Torvalds has raised many issues on the Unix operating system to the company, but that company has failed to fix the issues. So Linus Torvalds, what he did, he came out of that company and he used one Linux operating system, and he developed his own operating system, and it is called as Linux operating system. So he taken two letters from his name Li, and the operating system minus operating system. He took last three letters NUX, and he kept the name as Linux. See, this is Li and Mi, so both combined and became Linux operating system. So after that, what Linus Torvald developed the Linux operating system, and he released the Linux operating system source code into market for free of cost. So many companies has downloaded the source code, and they as per the requirement they have developed their own Linux distributions like Red Hat Linux, CentOS, all these Linux they have developed as per the requirements. Different companies have developed their different Linux OSs like Red Hat. And hi guys, yeah, today we will learn about Linux lab practice. Like for practicing the Linux labs, we have to create one AWS account, so that we can once we get the account now we can launch EC2 instance in AWS, and we can download one Mobaxterm software, and we can connect to the EC2 instance with the Mobaxterm software. Then we can execute some basic Linux commands. But from in my case, I already have this AWS account, and I will show you how to connect to the EC2 instance using Mobaxterm software right now. You who are new to this Linux now, you have to create this AWS account. You can create the AWS account. It is a free. It is a free. We can create the AWS account for free, and AWS will give free for 1 year actually. So you all who want to practice Linux in AWS now, please create one AWS account. Okay. Right now, I will I will log into my AWS account, and I will launch one EC2 instance, and I will connect the EC2 instance with the help of mobile extension software, and I will use some Linux basic commands. Okay, guys. This is the my mail. This is my mail ID. It is like user here. After this, we have to give the password to connect to like AWS. Once it is connected, I have EC2 here. You can type here EC2. For using EC2 service, we have to type EC2 here. See here, EC2 came, virtual servers in cloud. Click on EC2. Click on instances. Okay. We have to launch one instance for our practice purpose. Click on launch instance. Give the name as Linux practice, something like that. Next, see these all are the Linux distributions. This is Amazon Linux, this is Mac OS, this is Ubuntu, this is Windows OS, this is Red Hat. Like this, there are many OSs are there. We will take Linux, Amazon Linux. We will take. Okay. I am launching this Amazon Linux. Just click on Amazon Linux. Next. Next you next you have to come down. For this you have to take one key pair. Just create one key pair. Create new key pair. You have to select term key, and the key pair name is Linux practice, PRAC. I'll give Amazon Linux, just for Amazon Linux practice. Okay, and I will click on create key pair. It will download the key pair here. Okay, right now we have to do like launch instance. Click on launch instance. It's creating the instance, the machine, Amazon Linux machine is creating right now for us. Let's wait. So it's successful. Come down, view all instances. This is the machine. It's showing in pending right now. Let me refresh. See, it came into running status. Instance state is running right now. So just click here. Okay, it will show the IP address of this public IP address. Just click on this one, copy this one. Okay, let me take my Mobaxterm software. I already installed. You also install for practicing Linux. Click on open. Okay, this is the Mobaxterm. We have to click on sessions here, then click on SSH, and we have to give the IP, public IP here. What is the public IP? This is the public IP, and copy and paste in the public IP here. And we are using Amazon Linux, so we have to give the user as EC2 -user. If it is Ubuntu means we have to give Ubuntu as a username. Right now my Linux machine is Amazon Linux, so the user is EC2-user. Now click on advanced SSH settings, use private key, and click here. Then you select Amazon Linux. This is the key we have to give, provide it. Click on open, click on OK. It will connect to the machine right now. See, accept, click on accept. This is the Linux machine. This is ready for us, so we can practice here. OEMI is the command. It will show the user. See, my username is EC2-user. Okay, and you can use commands like date command to check the date. This is July 1st, and on July 1st, this is the July 1st actually. See, July 1st. Next, I can use calendar to display the calendar. Calendar is this is the calendar, July month. So the date is 1st July. Like that, you can use calendar for last is also. You can give cal. The command is cal 2022. Sorry, I given wrong one. Calendar for 2022. This is the calendar for 2022. The command is cal 2022. Okay. Hi guys. Now we will see about Linux directory commands and Linux file commands. So let's create a directory first. Okay, how to create a directory? Go to AWS Mobaxterm. I already connected to my Linux AWS EC2 instance. See here, this is not all the things are above there. We will clear the screen. Type command, clear command. Okay, the command, it will clear the screen. Okay, first we will create one directory. The command is mkdir. Suppose you want to create one folder in Windows means you will create now like that only. In Linux we have to create one directory. For that command is mkdir. I'll keep my name as folder. Okay, mkdir. See, we have command like ls command to check whether the directory is created or not. Ls, if you see, means it will show all the files and directories. See, one directory is created already. Okay, the first command we executed is mkdir, and I given one my name as a directory name, and I created one directory Durga. Okay, next one is next, this is the command how to remove empty directory. Remove empty directory. So the command is rm, we can give like rmdir Durga, durga. Durga. Okay, see, I given the command rmdir and my directory name Durga. Now check whether the directory is exist in the system or not. For that we check ls command. Ls command will show the list of directories and files. See, the directory name Durga right now is removed. It is empty directory. The command is rmdir Durga. Okay. So next one is how to remove non-empty directories. Okay. Let's try. Let's do this scenario. How to remove non-empty directories. Non-empty means there should be some files inside the directory. So first I will create one directory mkdir. My directory I will create. My directory name is, again I will create like Prasad. Okay. Okay. Enter. And you, for the checking the directory name, ls you have to give directory is created, Prasad directory is created. Right now I should go into Prasad directory because right now I am outside the directory. So for that you can you can check the path where it is right now. That is pw, if you type means it will give the present working directory. So I am working in /home ec2-user. So I want to go inside my Prasad directory and I want to create some files. For that we have to give cd, change directory. Cd means change directory, and give Prasad. Okay, and it will go to the Prasad directory. See, right now I am inside the Prasad directory. If you give again pwd, it will show you the present working directory. Right now I am inside the Prasad directory. I want to create some files. For creating the files, there is a command like touch command, touch touch file 1. Okay, I created one file inside the Prasad directory. If you want to check whether the file is created or not, you have to type like ls. Ls means list of, it will show you the list of files and directories. See, there is a file, one file is created. Okay. Okay, next I want to create multiple files. I want to create some 3 files. For that you can give command like touch file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. Like this you can create in one command only. You give touch command and give all the file names, what are the files you want to create, and just give enter. Now you can check ls command to see how many files are present. Okay, also one more command is there in the ls, like to see the list of files and directories, ls -l, it will show the long list here like this. See here, these are the files created. I have created just now. File I created, file 2 I created, file 3 I have created, file 4 I created, file 5 I created. Okay, so right now these are the files created inside the Prasad directory. Suppose right now my manager, somebody told me, my team leader or someone, so Prasad, please remove the Prasad directory here. So what should I do? Right now I am inside the Prasad directory and I created some files, like these are the files. So my team lead told me to remove these files. So I have to, right now I'll check the command like pwd. Right now where I am inside the Prasad directory. It is showing /home es2 hyphen user prasad. So I have to come out of this directory first, cd dot dot. Okay, now you give in ls hyphen l. See, this is the directory present right now. My task is to remove this directory right now. This directory contain all these files, right? Also, while executing this command ls hyphen l, it will give you like this. It will show you like d means in the starting of this here. Now we can see d. D means this is a directory. Okay, here see for this files there are no d here. That means this is not a directory. So we can recognize whether it is a directory or a file by seeing this one. The first letter tells you this is a directory or a file. Here where the Prasad is a directory, so it's showing D. So okay, but right now our task is to remove this directory. Remove the directory means rm. To remove the directory, this directory contains the files, so we have to give rm hyphen r. Prasad. R means here recursively, means inside it will remove all the files inside the. You can give Prasad. Okay, rm hyphen r Prasad. See, right now I execute the command rm hyphen r Prasad. You check it. We will check it right now. ls hyphen l will check. Will use this command to check whether the Prasad directory is present or removed. See, there are no Prasad directory and nothing is there because we removed that directory. Okay. See, we have seen this one also, how to do the change directory. We can use cd command to change directory. I already explained here. Okay, this one is how to create a file using touch command. I already showed you this one, how to create a file using the touch command. The command is $touch file name. Okay, I already shown you previously. This one is not sure, I think so. Cat file name. Okay. Hi, how are you? The command to display the file name is cat file name. To see the why is not coming. Hi, how are you? It is showing here high. We typed here high. It is showing high. Okay. Let's type one more time. Add file name. How are you? Cat file name is the command to see the contents. It's not coming right now. Let me try this. Cat file name. I like Hyderabad. Control D. Cat file name. See, it came, I like Hyderabad. Okay, like that we can create the files and we can see the file contents using cat command. To create the file, cat greater than file name, and you can type I like Hyderabad and you can give control C like that. After that you can see the cat file name is, you can see it will display the file contents. So what are the things in the file name, it will show here I like Hyderabad. So that like that we can create the file and we can view the file contents. Okay, next one is how to display file contents. We have seen using the cat command. For this the command is cat file name. Okay, next one is how to delete a file. Okay, let's see how many files are there here. L is the command to see the list of files. We have only one file. I am right now the task is to remove the file. The command is rm file name. Okay, enter. See, right now I remove the file. Let us check it whether the file is there or not. L is the command to check the list of files and directories. See, total 0, there are no files, it's saying. Okay, next one is how to copy a file using copy command. Okay, let me do this one. Suppose first I will create one file. Okay, for creating a file we have touch command. I told you, touch F1. Okay, this is the file. To create the file using, I created the file using touch command. So I want to write some data inside the F1. I can use vi F1, so it will open that file. Okay, this is the vi editor mode actually. So right now I open the file. Here we can't type it directly, we have to press insert I. We have to type the letter I, then it will come into insert mode. See, it came into insert mode. Now I can type anything. Hi, how are you, welcome to Linux course. Okay, for saving this file we have to press escape colon shift colon, we have to press shift colon W and Q. That means here see, I press shift colon WQ. W means save, Q means save and quit. Okay, escape mark I have to go, save and quit, escape colon WQ. Now press enter. Now my file is saved. See, I want to see the file contents right now. The command is cat F1 for seeing the file contents. Cat F1 will show you the hi, how are you. I typed welcome to Linux course. Okay, like this we can create one file. Okay, right now I want to copy this file to, what they ask, how to copy a file using cp command. Okay, right now I need to copy this file. This file name is F1. This is the file name. I want to copy this file. Let me tell you. First you have to check present working directory. Where are you? Right now you are at ec2-user and type ls. You have one file called F1. Okay, you copy this file to other directory. How we will do? So for this I will create one directory. I want to create one project directory. First I will I created one project directory. See, this is the F1 is the file and this project is the directory. Okay, I want to copy the same file like F1 into project. So the command is cp F1 to /home. With this path we have to give, the path is like This is the path I have to give the. We have to copy this. This directory is present in this home directory /home ec2-user, then project directory. So we have to give the full path of the directory. After that ec2-user we have to give like slash again slash and this project, then enter. See, now you go to that this path and check whether the file f1 is present or not. Now go to change directory, cd means change directory. I copy this file f1 to this project directory. So you go to this path first, change directory and type ls. See, the file ls is copied from home directory. Home directory means here ec2-user. This is the home directory. This is the home directory. The file is present actually f1. We have copied that file from that particular location to this new location. This is the my project directory path. So I given cp file name I want to copy and the directory location destination where I have to paste this file. I have given this project directory path. After that I went into change directory. The project directory path I have given. Right now I am in the project directory path. See, I am giving pwd. See, I came into project directory path and I pressed ls. So the file present here. Cat f1. See, the same file contents will be present. Hi, how are you? Welcome to Linux course. Okay. Next one. How to rename a file? How to rename a file? See, right now the file name is f1. So this is f1 actually, and my TL told me to rename this file to some like source like coding one. What I will do now, I use command like mv command. The file name is f1. He told me to change that file to code1. Okay, see, this file name is the f1 is the file name. I change the file name to rename the file name to code1. Now you type ls and see the file name which is right earlier was f1. Now it got changed to code1. So using mv command you have to give the file name f1 and new file name. This is the old file name and this is the new file name. Okay, I rename the file. Next one is how to move a file from one directory to another directory. We have finished this one. Okay, we did by using copy command. Okay, next one is how to view last filings of a file. How to view a last filings of a file. See, suppose I am creating one more file here using vi editor. That is like, suppose this is a log. You type the file name is log. Okay, log.txt. Okay, I am entering. Good. I press and I for insert mode, and I enter the some data here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, escape colon WQ. Suppose my TL told me to check last 5 lines of the log. He told me to check the last 5 lines of the log. So that time the command is there to check the last five lines. Tail -n. You have to give last 5 lines means 5, and you have to give the file name log.txt. Now press enter. So in the file we typed 1 to 20 numbers. So my TL asked me to check the last five lines. So from last 5 lines means 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are the 5 lines. If I can get it using this command tail -n 5 log.txt. Suppose he told me to get last 10 lines, then I have to give like tail -10 like this. Sorry, tail hyphen n. Last 10 is 10 we have to provide. Right now it will show you last 10 lines. Whatever the lines here which is present, it will show us last 10 lines. Okay. So for our clarity purpose, I type all the numbers actually to show you. So these are the last 10 lines. Whatever the data here, it will be there. It will show you. Okay. Next one. Again my TL told me to okay, you get the first 5 lines of the file. Then the command is we have to use is head is used to get the first 5 lines. Head hyphen n, we have to change the first 5 means 5, we have to provide 5. See right now it will get the first 5 lines of the log. Okay. Next one, suppose he asks me to get the first 15 lines, I have to change 1 5. See, it will show you first 15 lines. So this command will be useful when we in the real time, like to check the logs, like any error came means we can trace out the last 5 lines. Like that means we will give I told you earlier, I told you like we have to provide this tail and we will give it the last 5 lines. Like that last 5 lines means we will give 5. So the log will provide last 5 lines, so we can easily trace out any error if there means we can check it. Okay. Thank you guys.